Hello, I'm Karthik and this is Youth for Work. Today we will talk about HBSAT, that is Hyderabad Business School Admission Test. HBSAT is conducted by GITAM Hyderabad Business School. This exam is a university level entrance test for admissions in MBA programs offered by GITAM Hyderabad Business School. And we will talk about application fees for HBSAT exam, it is Rs 700. The mode of the payment is offline. There is no age limit to be eligible for this exam. If you want to know about the eligibility criteria, exam pattern and tips to crack the HBSAT exam, then please watch the playlist till the end. Now let us talk about the eligibility criteria of HBSAT. The candidate must have qualified graduation degree with minimum of 50% aggregate from any recognized university. Foreign and NRI candidates will need to apply through GMAT score. Candidates from all over the world can apply for this exam. There is no age zone limit on the number of times a candidate can appear for HBSAT. In this video, we will focus on the exam pattern of HBSAT. The mode of exam is online. The total time duration given to complete the exam is 90 minutes. In this exam, there will be objective type multiple choice questions, and for each correct answer, the candidate will be rewarded with 1 mark. There is no negative marking in this exam. That means no marks were deducted for wrong attempts. Number of sections will be data sufficiency, mathematical ability, communication and business aptitude, English and reasoning. That is 5 sections. The focus of this video will be tips and tricks to crack the HBSAT exam. Before starting your preparation, make sure to go through the pattern of exam and syllabus thoroughly. Prepare a daily schedule so as to give equal attention and time to each and every subject. There is no negative marking, so try to attempt all the questions. Take online mock tests so that your confidence can increase and you can manage time according to it. I would recommend our Youth for Work's Prep Guru application as it is really useful.